Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, on today's video we'll be looking on cockatiel. So guys, on previous video I showed you that these cockatiels, they were preparing their nesting box. So now that they have gone ahead and prepared the nesting box, you know it's laying time, and Goody should upon 3 eggs. So yeah, so remember the stages are the mating, the preparing of the box, the laying of the egg, the incubating of the egg, and then baby come. So with that was stage 3. So yeah, she's now on 3 eggs as you can see in the video, and you know she normally give us Latino baby, she give us cinnamon just the same, and pied. Those are the 3 that we have gotten from her so far. Hopefully we can get a white face this time, but let's see. Anyway guys, I'm gonna run leave you. So before I go, please remember to like out the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bell. Goodbye.